What's up guys, Genius Emotion here, new tutorial. This is a request from Mr. 49,000. It's over 9,000. And he's requested that there's a guard guarding an area and you can't get past him. And he's telling you that you can't go anywhere unless you kill this thug. Once he's dead, then he'll move out the way for you. So for this, I've made a blank new area. I'm going to start off by making the thug where we can battle him. So just right click on a new event, double click on the graphic, go down to evil, and select this guy here with the turban and the beard. Right, just click apply and OK for now, because we can't do anything more until this next bit's done. Come up here into Tools and Database, and I already started it off here, but what you want to do is go to Enemies. I'm going to delete it for the sake of teaching you. Change maximum to 31 or to whatever. You need one new one, and I'm just going to copy script Hornet. Just copy the Hornet and paste into there. That's so that we don't have to dick around with these. If you want to make the change the maximum HP and all of the elements efficiency change, then you do as you please. But I'm just going to copy that. Go into the graphic, come down to Bandit. Not far enough. There you go. Select the Bandit. And then there you go. Then click apply, go over to troops here. Now the troops are the actual characters that you want to fight. So if you want to make a battle process with only one slime, all you have to do is again change maximum. Okay. Oh no, 31. Okay, I blanked out for a second then. Then you want to select the it's over here. Sorry. Find the character that you want to fight with, although I haven't renamed mine to Hornet from Hornet yet. Sorry. Ignore this bit. Thug. I'm really not with it today, so apologies in advance. Okay, so Thug. Delete that one. Remove. Okay, so you want to copy the thug over, click. Oh, you can just double click, or you can click add. Give it a name. Thug. And then there you go, that's a battle process. Now, when you go into the battle processing settings in a minute, then this thug will arrive and there will only be one of him. If you want to add more, then just add as many as you need to. But you can only add 3, 6, 8 at a time. So apply, then OK. OK. Now coming to the edit event. With this guy, make a new event page. Ready, just click the self switch A to on. And don't do anything more with that because it's not needed. OK, now coming to the list of events. Click show text. I'm just going to do this for the sake of putting text. Yeah, what? He's a bit of an arsehole. Then you want to add a new event. Come over to 3 and click on battle processing. Now this is what I was telling you about a second ago. Click on the down on the direct designation. Come down and click on thug. Can escape. If you want them to escape or not, then there you go. But I'm going to get it so you can escape. Click on OK, and then that's set up. Once you come up to him and press the action button or player touch or whatever you want it to be, the battle process will start after this text. So now you want to set the variable. If he wins, then do this. If you escape, then do this. Normally leave that to default, or if you want to add some gloating text, then just click on it, insert, and text, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, so if he wins, we want to insert. Now we want to do control self switch. We want to put A on, and that will just swap it to the second event. But just click on that for now because we want to add something above it. Click insert, control variable. No, sorry, control switches. And where it's on single, click on this button here, and this will bring you to the switches. These are your preset ones. If you want to do, like, if you select a key, if you find a key, then NPC will react to you carrying that key once this switch has been activated, and then you can have another character who reacts based on the switch being selected. So that's a pretty cool feature. Oh crap. Okay, then what you want to do is just name this switch to Thug Killed. And this is like designated to this one alone. You'd be able to... oh, change it. Whereas with like the switch A's and what the heck ever, the self switch A's and whatever, you can do that switch A's to only this event. It won't act to other ones, but these ones will act with any event you put it onto. So click on Thug Killed, then apply. Well, name it Thug Killed, then apply. And you want to set that to on, then OK. Then that's it. That's this guy set up. So what's going to happen is the fight's going to start. If you win, it's going to hit this second event so that it's definitely dead, and it will click this new control switch, Thug Killed, to on. Click apply, then OK. Don't bother with him anymore because we're done with him. Then now you want to make the guard. So put it in the way of our character to being able to get through into this gated area. Click on graphic. Select a guard. I'm going to select this stout dwarf guard here. And we want 3 event pages. So let's just make those in advance. Okay, and now what you want to do is begin the text. So this is going to be, the first event is going to be when this guy, our player, goes up and talks to this guy. So give him a face. See, stout dwarf. And I'm going to make him a bit Brian Blessed-ish. Very, very booming voice. So, halt. No one may pass. Ooh. Prove your wealth. Kill the thug. He's a bit of an arse as well. There you go. Halt, no one may pass. Prove your worth, kill the thug. Click OK. Insert. Make sure to give it a caps lock if you're going to copy me. Show choices. OK, Ryan. And why so loud? Because he's yelling. Very booming voice. Click on OK, and this is going to be similar to the if-win thing. When you accept it, we're going to do a self switch A on, and that's going to select this one. Put the self switch to on, insert, and this is going to be only if you go back up to talk to him before you've killed the thug. So this is pretty important, really, because a guy could just randomly go up, start the whole go through all the text again, and I don't really like that in a game, so I'm going to do this. Go on. get stuck in, lad. There you go. So that's only going to be a filler, so that if you accept the mission and then go back to talk to him, that will come up. So now this is going to be the actual moving out of the way thing once you've killed him. So you want to come up here to switch on the conditions. Thug is killed, on. And this will only activate when the thug has been killed, once that switch has been activated. What you want to do is come on to list. Oh god, event. I'm really not with it today. Event, show text. Actor. Type in the text. Well done. You may pass. And okay. Right, now you want to actually do the movement of him. Now, Mr. 49,000, if you want him to just disappear, get rid of that graphic, and then you'll be able to step over him. The event will just disappear at that point. But if you want him to actually animate moving away, this is something I've never taught before. What you want to do is come on to here, come along to number 2, make a new event, number 2, and set move route. Not quite sure what happened with my voice there. Come to move route, player, change that to this event, because if you leave it to the player, it's going to move our guy, and that's not what we want. So this event, now, you want him to move out of the way to somewhere we aren't going to bump into him. So for this case, I want him to move up, then to the right, left, then move toward, then look at our player. So, movement commands, move up, move left, turn toward player. And he will do that in order from top to bottom. Move up, move left, turn toward player. Click OK, and that's it. Click on apply, OK. And I'm just going to quickly throw down a chest here with some armour in. Right, let's have a play test. So if we remember what should happen, we should talk to Brian Blessed, the stout dwarf guard. He'll tell us to go and kill this guy. If we go back up to him, then it'll come up saying, get stuck in. Come over, kill this guy, come back up, and he'll shift. So if all goes according to plan, then that should work. Let me just equip this stuff. There we go. Right, now let's come up and talk to Brian. Halt, no one would pass, prove it worth, kill the thug. Why so loud? Walk away, come back. Halt, no one may pass, prove your worth. Okay. Okay, Brian. Go on, get stuck in, lad. So that's working. We've accepted the mission, now it's telling us to get stuck in. Click on him. Yeah, what? Oh, God. Hang on. I really hate that noise. Thug emerged. Okay, fight, Ralph. Slice, dead. Easy done. Ralph's party was victorious. Now, if all now he's gone. If all goes according to plan, Brian should move. Well done, you may pass. Get out of our way. Done. That is it. Done, 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 done. If I'm going to do you a favour here, Mr. 49,000, and I'm going to put this project file onto Mediafire for you. Just download it, and you can use it for yourself. But if you want to just do it by hand, then by all means, go ahead and follow this tutorial. But I hope it helped, and that's really it for this tutorial, guys. Look forward to the next one, the quest one, and I'm just going to be explaining on there really why the tutorials haven't been going on as I expected them to. So, thanks a lot, and I'll see you again.